Okay, this is one of the most important videos in this video tutorial because I'm going to explain to you how to create WordPress plugins. Okay, and for this video I will use an example based on an opt-in form. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I create several opt-in forms and go into my archives and the opt-in forms list. Once I'm here in my opt-in form list, I have a preview of my opt-in forms. Okay, here's one here, the one that I created before, and then I can decide to use that also in my WordPress websites. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I see here there is an icon, generate WordPress plugin. I click over and I have a form that asks me some information. These are the plugin parameters. So first of all, I have to say what is the name of this plugin, and then I say opt-in form plugin. Okay, then I can say plugin URL can be in this, or you can change yours, and then I need to give a description, and then I can say this is the plugin to embed an opt-in form into Webp posts and pages. Okay, so the author is your name, author URL, URI. If you want, you can put yours. Then the version of the plugin, and then here is very important, is the unique identifier of your WordPress plugin that you're going to use also within WordPress. You know, then we can say here opt010101 just to give a 9. You know, I'm gonna click on save. Okay, and then they say plugin successfully saved. Now I have to click over download plugin in order to get the plugin. Okay, so preparing the package. Okay, and then plugin archive created. You click on download and you have your zip file with your plugin. You click on OK and you save your file, and you can close this page. Okay, now I'm going to WordPress. Okay, I log into my WordPress area. I go to my dashboard, just appearance, just to make it easier. I set this as default. Okay, this is my theme, and then I go into plugins, and you can see here in the plugins area you can add a new plugin. You click over add a new plugin, then you click over upload. Okay, then you browse, and then I'm going to take my newly created plugin. Okay, here it is, opt010101 1.0 is the version. Okay, at the end, and I can open and install now, and I'm gonna wait until this is installed and say okay, plugin installed successfully. Then I say activate plugin. Okay, then I activate this plugin. Okay, and then I see here in the list of my plugins I have the opt-in form plugin like I defined before. Then I can deactivate or edit, and then here you can see this is the plugin to embed an opt-in form into WordPress posts and pages, and then the version and by the name of the author, and also the visit plugin URL. You can go to my website. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new post. So I'm going to post. Okay, and I say new post, and then I say test, just to give a, and then here I see that there is an icon, and then there is exactly my plugin opt-in _ 01000 _ the name of the plugin that we created. See here, the the shape of the opt-in form. Then you click over insert. Okay, and just this command is enough for us to have our opt-in form in the post. Okay, and save as draft. Okay, and click on preview. And here we are. We have our opt-in form embedded into our WordPress website or blog. Okay, just with that simple command that we just saw. Okay, we can go and edit the post. Okay, and here you can see we have our command, very simple command, and we can also write something so far. This is an opt-in form. Then I save draft again and preview. Okay, and here we have, this is an opt-in form. Okay, I have to do some adjustment, of course, and here we have our opt-in form. Okay,